In this video, we will discuss on how to design a good interface for our information system. So a good interface design must base on the combination of ergonomic, aesthetics, and interface technologies. So ergonomic describe on how people works, learns, and interact with the computers. Aesthetics is focuses on how the interface can be made attractive and easy to use. And lastly, interface technology that provides the operational structure required to carry out the design objective. So these three values are needed in order to design a good user interface for the system. Basically, we have 8 guidelines for user interface design. The first one, we need to create interface that easy to learn and easy to use. When we design our interface system, we must make sure that the interface is easy and not too complicated for our users, because our users are various type of users. So different type of users have different preference. So we must make sure that our interface is flexible to those variety of users. So anything that we use like label, it must be clear and understandable, easy and logic. Second, enhance the user productivity. Enhance the user productivity means when we design our interface, we must make sure that it is organized and certain function must be grouped together because easy for the user to find it later on. So user can complete their task in certain duration easily. Number third, provide help and feedback to the user. This one, you can provide text explanation on certain function of your system and provide with the understandable message. Okay, let's say you want to create an error message for the user. So make sure the error message is understandable. Instead of you put error 14-3, supposedly you put the entered value must be numeric, for example, more understandable for the user in order to understand what are error that they face. Okay. Number 4, you need to create an attractive layout and design. So you need to choose the right color and the right layout, as well as you can display the title in each page, so it can guide your user on page that they are working on. Number 5, enhance the interface. You can use interface control in your interface design. Okay, drop down box, clean the control, so easy for the user to use the clean the control. Number 6, focus on the data entry screens, so you can minimize the entry problem, because the data entry is very important for your information system, because the information system will process the data based on the data entry. So you need to focus on the data entry screen. Number 7, use validation rule. You can build rules to enforce the data integrity, so you can help your user in order to enter any data or key in any input. And number 8, reduce the input volume. Try to help your user to minimize their efforts. So for example, you can allow them to copy, cut and paste, so easy for the user when they deal with your system. So basically, in order to design a good user interface, you can refer to these 8 basic guidelines and combine together with the 3 values that we have discussed earlier: ergonomic, aesthetic, as well as the technology interface. Okay, that's all.